started this day with the 8 toughest teams entering our crossover knockout quarterfinals round 2, and we are now down to the last 2 teams. APALIT, I love it, contra San Fernando. As we bring you the continuing coverage of the 2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament, coming to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga, the home of Sinag Liga Asia, born 2001 inaugural season champions, the Pampanga Delta. As I mentioned earlier, we are down to the last 2 toughest teams. We're still live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, a jam-packed BREN GUIAO Convention Center as Isaac Danting can his timely comeback gives APALIT, I love it, their spot to the semi-finals. At makakatapat niya dito, itong si Raymart Cosal and the rest of the Fernandino ka, KAYABE ka, or game at hand, Fernandino ka, KAYABE ka, kontra APALIT, I love it. Isang magandang gabi po sa inyo mga kabalan. Penelope Wilhelmina alongside with the Chief, Enzo Galerosa.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng mga kasinag. Magandang gabi sa inyo, Pen. And syempre, napakagandang laro. One last seat to the semifinals round. Who wants it more? Will it be the thrilling, always thrilling and exciting APALIT, I love it, or will it be the home team, Fernandino ka, KAYABE ka, on their home floor? One last seat at nasa semis na tayo.
And of course, para po sa mga hindi makakanood dito inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, pwede nyo pong tutukan itong ating Delta Cup 2024 sa ating Facebook page at Pampanga.
Pero bago yan, Pen, syempre, di ba? Yun nga, Pampanga PIO Facebook page. And of course, live din tayo sa YouTube channel ng Pampanga
at
Pampanga PIO.
And of course, to the broadcast partner at Sinag Liga TV. But before anything else, let's introduce our third member of our panel, our courtside reporter, none other than MJ Raimundo. MJ, magandang gabi sa'yo.
Magandang gabi din sa inyo, Pen and Enzo. At ito na nga ang kaabang-abang na game para sa ating last game for the quarterfinals. Maaalamin natin kung sino ang mananaig at makakasama ng 3 koponan para bukas sa ating semis. Abangan natin yan ngayon.
Thank you so much, MJ. Of course, we will hear from her later on. But let's take a look first, Enzo. The most important part here is the tournament format nitong ating Delta Cup 2024 dahil nandito nga tayo sa ating quarterfinals round 2.
Yes, quarterfinals round 1, top 8 teams per bracket nag-qualify with the top 4 teams having a twice-to-beat advance. Sa mga naka-advance sa 8 teams, that advance after the Sweet 16 dito sa Elite 8 natin naglaban-laban 1 versus 4 and 2 versus 3. Knockout po ang naging ating format dito. And now, dito tayo tumitig sa semifinals round kasi nga, 3 teams na naka-qualify. Level Up Lubao, di ba? Sino bang sasama sa Level Up Lubao and all the other teams? Isang seat na lang natitira. Will it be APALIT, I love it, or will it be Fernandino ka, KAYABE ka?
But before anything else, let's take a look kung ano ba ang magiging game story dito natin sa APALIT kontra the home team, Fernandino ka, KAYABE ka, to the skies.
Yes, to the skies. 2 of the highest flying teams dito. Aiming for the skies dito dahil nga after this game, isa uuwi. Isa maglalaban-laban bukas sa semifinals round.
And of course, hindi na natin ito patatagalin pa. And so to introduce our starting, coming up is the battle between APALIT, I love it, kontra the home team, Fernandino ka, KAYABE ka. And now, to introduce the starting lineup para dito sa ating main event, I'm now turning you over to our arena announcer, Zello Del Rosario, para sa ating Delta Cup starters of the game.
Good afternoon mga kabalan, and this is 2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. We are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. It is brought to you by our Governor Dennis Delta Padilla. You can catch the game live on Pampanga PIO FB page and YouTube channel. And you can also catch the game live on our broadcast partner at Sinag Liga TV YouTube channel. This is the 4th game of our quadruple header quarterfinals between Fernandino ka, KAYABE ka against APALIT, I love it. And then now let's meet the starters for your Fernandino ka, KAYABE ka. At guard, number 15, Charles Dizon. Another guard, number 8, Frix Bautista. Forward, number 22, Jaylee Padilla. Another forward, number 2, Raymart Cosal. And center, number 17, John Patrick Padayo. Assistant coaches, Jeff Olalia, RJ Mangulabnan, John Kayanan, and Jeff Katakudan, headed by Coach MJ Magtoto. And now let's call out the protagonist team of APALIT. I love it! At guard, number 23, Lendel Garcia. Another guard, number 3, Yuri Masibak. Center, number 14, JP Maglalang. Forward, number 1, Ken Montalvo. And another forward, number 28, Khaled Makapagal. Assistant coaches, Edgar Pingol, Per Gardiner, Robert Carina, and Romel Ochengo. Headed by Coach Saldi Messina. Our officials for this game are Blue Chief Michael Galutera, first umpire John Banayat, second umpire Bird Esuga.
Our team starters for Fernandino, KAYABE, Charles Dizon, Frix Bautista, Jaylee Padilla, Raymart Cosal, and JP Padayaw. At para sa panig ng APALIT, I love it, Lendel Garcia, Yuri Masibak, JP Maglalang, Kent Montalvo, and Yuri Masibak once again. Khaled Makapagal, rather. Penelope Wilhelmina alongside with Enzo Galarosa and MJ Raimundo manning the sideline. This 2024 Delta Cup Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball is presented to you by Head Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda.
And look at that, agad-agad fireworks ang i-expect natin dito sa laro. Everything they do, the crowd will react.
Fireworks! Speaking of fireworks, Raymart Cosal fired the three-point shot for this ball game.
Blowing a kiss sa mga taga San Fernando dito, ang home crowd.
Lendel Garcia to Khaled Makapagal. Too strong.
Look at the battle for the rebound. What a matchup, Padayaw kontra Makapagal.
Dizon on the rebound. Balik ang bola kay Dizon. There's a whistle.
It's gonna be on Maglalang.
Three to nothing run in care of Raymart Cosal. First field goal for this ball game. Sideline inbound for Frix Bautista. You know, Enzo, tinupad ni Mayor Jun Tetangco yung promise niya. Napupunuin nila ang BREN Convention Center. Of course, they're facing the home team.
Kutob ko pag naka-finals,
Fernandino,
sila, iba pa yung magiging maninibago yung pangako niyan eh. Capacity ng BREN Convention Center 2,000. I remember I was part of the biggest crowd dito sa BREN GUIAO. I was the commentator nung araw na yun. Na hanggang labas, punong-puno. For sure, nakita ni Mayor Jun Tetangco yun na papalit. Pag nag-finals ang APALIT, for sure, gagawin nilang ganun din yun.
It's a history for his municipality. A sideline inbound for Yuri Masibak to Lendel Garcia. Balik kay Masibak ang bola. 8 minutes and 42 seconds. 7 on the shot
Good
clock.
pass. Oh!
Sayang yun for Kent Montalvo.
We saw Coach Zaldi Messina screaming at Makapagal use the board. And there's a foul, a landing spot foul on Maglalang.
After the three-point shot attempt from Jaylee Padilla. Eight minutes and 28 seconds. As Jaylee Padilla was sent to the 15-footer line. First throw is no good for Padilla. Oh, out of 2 for Jaylee Padilla. Lendl Garcia with the basketball. Balik kay Masibak ang bola. Masibak. Lendl Garcia. For three.
Oh! Dangerous fall right there for Dizon.
Tatlo sila doon.
Oo. Kitang-kita natin agad gano'ng ka-physical yung laro natin dito. We're just not even 2 minutes in the first quarter.
Inbound. Garcia with the basketball. Balik kay Yuri Masibak. Masibak to Garcia once again. One on jumper, short. There was a whistle.
Sa abit din. Ito naman si Padayo ang napituhan. Good attack galing dito kay Lendl Garcia.
JP Padayaw. You know, this is the usual starters for both teams. For APALIT, I love it. And for the side of the home team, Fernandino, KAYABE ka.
Yes, so both coaches, alam nila if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Pasok mo yung mga starters mo. Ang napalitan lang dito sa panig ng Fernandino, KAYABE ka itong si Dizon and Frix Bautista. It's normally Andrew Cunanan ang nasa starting lineup and Dane Siazon.
This will be a different. As 1 out of 2 for Lendl Garcia. 2 out of 2 rather for Lendl Garcia. It's a 1-point lead. San Fernando. Raymart Casal. Jumper for Padayaw. No, binalik niya dito kay Dizon ang bola.
Good defense right here. Backcourt, clear backcourt. Great defense by APALIT. I love it. Scrambling, switching, communicating. That's the proper way to play defense against a team like San Fernando.
Inbound, Masibak and Garcia. Balik kay Masibak ang bola. He's against Frix Bautista. Back to Kent Montalvo. For three, not his
Tough
usual
shot.
shot. Rebound by Raymart Casal. Balik kay Padilla ang bola. Padilla to Frix Bautista for three. Lock. Garcia on the basketball. Scramble. Recovery.
Grabe itong mga players na to. Talagang lumalaban for every possession, for every loose ball. Frix nearly hit the medical staff natin dito sa BREN GUIAO. Oh, sorry, not Frix. Jaylee.
Jaylee Padilla. Inalalayan na nga siya dun eh.
Oo.
As inbound again for APALIT. Yuri Masibak. Look at that shot. Pero ayaw for Yuri Masibak. Balik ang bola kay Casal.
Good pass.
Nice assist coming from the captain, Raymart Casal.
Good positioning, trail job there. Galing dito kay JP Padayaw. Who in the last game, maalat na maalat laro ni Padayaw but didn't need it.
Rebound by JP Padayaw. Dizon.
Layo.
Kent Montalvo on the rebound.
Montalvo was the best player of the game last game na itong APALIT to qualify dito sa quarterfinals 2.
Sobrang init niya sa laban nila na yun.
Mainit din yung laban eh, physical sobre.
And Montalvo for three again. There you have it. He knocks and tied his ball game at 5 after the 3-point shot.
Grabe, ibang klase skill level neto ni Kent Montalvo.
Raymart Casal babawi. Dumiretso sa kamay dito ni Khaled Macapagal. Another steal for Raymart Casal.
He draws a foul.
The former Adamson Baby Falcon. Itong si Raymart Casal.
Just like one baby Falcon that we know recently won the championship for...
And taga San Fernando din
Ayun
siya.
na,
Enzo,
it's
eh.
another San
Actually, nagpapa-shoutout siya. Sabi niya
go ahead.
shoutout daw siya pag scores.
The number, wait lang.
Number 5.
Naiinis siya sa akin eh. So, babawi ako sa kanya. The number 5 ranked high school player in 2024.
And the mythical 5 awardee for UAAP Season 86 Juniors and the champion team, the captain of the Adamson Baby Falcons, of course, Justin Garcia, a homegrown here in Pampanga. 2 out of 2 for Raymart Casal.
And look at that. Pasok agad. Lalabas ito si Jaylee Padilla. Ineffective so far. Papasok ito si Jayron Ramirez, their two-way player. Great rotation. Yung rotations na itong dalawang coaches, Coach Zaldi Messina and Coach MJ Magtoto, their rotations are one of the best in the entire league. So, yun yung interesting na gusto kong makita, yung how they rotate their players in this ball game because of the matchups.
Balik ang bola dito kay Lendl Garcia on the drive.
Dito mamasaring, they have to fire.
Possession goes back to San Fernando.
Good off fake by Fricks.
Balik ang bola sa Apalit. 7-5 in favor of San Fernando. Dumalas yun sa kamay. Khalid Makapagal.
Great pull the chair job there. Galing dito kay Jayron Ramirez. Alam niyang babangga si Khalid Makapagal. And here he comes. The growling tiger is now on the floor.
This will be a timely comeback for Isaac Danting. Can you give his team a pallet? I love it. Their spot to the semifinals. Oh, as I
There's a
mentioned,
steal.
great D coming from Isaac Danting. Yuri Masiba
Good
ka na
move.
drive!
What a move.
Grabe yun. Coming from the defense of Isaac Danting. Papunta kay Lendl Garcia to Yuri Masibak with a beautiful drive.
Sipin mo, ganda na ka-wild yung fans natin. First quarter pa lang. Paano pa kapag fourth quarter? Uh-oh! Oh!
Easy putback for Isaac Danting. A former Ateneo Blue Eagles. And now,
Luit 1, Kapampangan Cager.
Coach Benji Navarro was right here.
Napakiti
And
si
I
Coach
know
Benji
his
dun,
sure is very proud of his player, Isaac Danting. As we take a look back here. No hesitation whatsoever. Isaac Danting finds the top of the rim. Makes that basket count. 4 minutes and 16 seconds remaining. And for our first quarter, 9-7.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Made most of the second chances, 61-53, the final score between Apalit, I love it, kontra Bayong Porac.
They took advantage of the height mismatch. Look at the rebounding disparity. 64-49 in the offensive rebounds. 30 out of the 64 offensive rebounds yun nanggaling dito sa Apalit. I love it.
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa kanyang report sa parehong koponan. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. Last game for our quarterfinals, but the attendance of the supporters of both teams are very much in hype tonight. Head coach Zaldi Messina highlighted the preparation they did for today's game. Sabi niya, kailangan namin maglaro ng maayos at depensahan ng San Fernando ng higit pa sa ginagawa namin from the elimination round. While for head coach MJ Magtoto, importante sa kanila ang laban na to because this will be the result of their sacrifices and hard work sa training. Dagdag pa ni coach, more than the goal na gusto naming manalo, we need to instill in our minds na mabigat ang kalaban namin kaya di kami dapat makampante. Who will reign for tonight's game? Let's find out. But for now, balik muna sa inyo, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much on that report, MJ. The question sa dulo ng report ni MJ. Who will remain to be the toughest team? Will it be the Apalit, I love it, together with Isaac Danting? Or will it be Raymart Cosal and the rest of the Fernandino KAYABE basketball team?
As much as these two coaches are very, very humble, I would love to say that these two teams are very, very match. Match na match itong dalawang koponan na to. And I believe that at the start ng tournament natin, a lot of people who watched the Delta Cup, this was their matchup for the finals. Pero napaaga, kaya quarterfinals round 2 sila naglaban. And one of these teams is going home.
The Vid is able to put that basket. Makes this ball game 2-point lead para sa panig ng San Fernando. There was a whistle.
Faulan Kunanan. Holding on to Lendl Garcia that time. Take a look at this beautiful drop pass by Raymart Cosal.
Papunta dito kay J.L. David. As he checks in together with Andrew Kunanan. Time out on the floor, 11-9 with 2 minutes and 39 seconds remaining for our first period.
make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
We're still live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Crowded in attendance. Hindi na po namin mabilang, but a full crowd,
According
full
to them.
capacity.
According to them, full capacity ng BREN GUIAO is 2,000.
Eh, may mga nakatayo pa kasi.
Exactly. May mga nakatayo pa. And meron pa nga dito nakikisingit-singit lang. Hindi
Tsaka
na
may mga
nakaupo
upuan
eh.
tayo dito for our official, the different mayors, vice
Yes.
mayors of each
LGUs,
municipality.
diba?
The
Andun pa,
LGUs.
meron pa mga nakaupo kasama nila Gov Delta doon sa taas. Grabe. Oh.
The biggest crowd
And this is
of
the
our
quarterfinals, diba?
Quarterfinals pa lang to.
Oh, offensive foul. Offensive foul dito, whistled on Jarlego. Nakakapasok pa lang.
Alago just checks in for APALIT. I love it. 2 minutes and 28 seconds remaining for our first period. Gusto itong si Dizon. Umilik ang bola. Kay Jayron Ramirez. Balik dito kay Cunanan rather. Cunanan with a jumper.
Good block by
Short.
Ice.
Kent Montalvo.
What a duo this is.
Almost a
Montal.
miss.
Duo
Balik
this
ang
is,
bola.
diba?
Kay Edmar Dizon. 2 turnovers for JD Harlego. Sideline inbound for JL David. Binalik niya kay Ando Cunanan ng bola. As an offensive foul.
JL David napituhan. Trying to push away itong si Montalvo. Was face guarding him on the baseline.
1 minute and 53 seconds as head coach MJ Magtoto of San Fernando, Pampanga. JD Harlego, balik dito ay Edmar Dizon. Back to Isaac Danting.
Wow!
Grabe!
Grabe
Yung
naman
drive
yun!
ni Edmar Dizon.
Who says they cannot fly?
We're tied at 11. Back to Andrew Cunanan.
Good defense by Montalvo.
Balik kay Andrew Cunanan ng bola, malayo. With JL David.
4 seconds.
Back to Jayron Ramirez. There was a foul.
This will be 2 free throws. Penalty na kasi parehong kupunan.
Foul against Dane Siazon. Take a look back. This beautiful move and drive coming from Edmar Dizon. Parang pwede pang magkape sa ginawa niyang lipad na yun. 1 minute and 9 seconds as we're tied at 11. As Kent Montalvo will be sent to the free throw line. After that foul, they're both on penalty here. 1 out of 2 now for Kent Montalvo. For Kent Montalvo, and he will be substituted here by Christian Silvestre. Kent Montalvo will rest for a while. Here, Andrew Cunanan. Balik ang bola kay Siazon. Siazon back to Cunanan. Nice D,
Good
coming from
defense.
Silvestre.
Disciplined defense ang ginawa doon ni Silvestre. Becoming a big body, a brick wall, and then taas kamay lang. No fouls. Perfect legal defense galing dito kay Silvestre.
Once again, Edmar Dizon. Mukhang lilipad na naman siya. JD Harlego for 3.
Who's gonna be called on?
Against Christian Silvestre.
No, I think it's gonna be on a Fernandino ka player. It's Bayabay, ang napituhan. Ayaw pa ni Silvestre mag-free throw.
Kala niya siya kasi tinawagan
Oo.
kasi inaako niya dito kay Coach Zaldi Messina. That's why I thought it's Christian Silvestre.
Hindi niya alam, siya pala yung na-foul.
1 out of 2 now for Christian Silvestre.
Good rebound right there by Perez. Grabe naman yun.
Nag-rebound na siya. Siya na yung nagmintis ng free throw. Pagkakuha pa ng rebound ng teammate niya, siya pa yung nag-basket.
Big body, big man. Itong si Silvestre.
JL David. Back to Andrew Cunanan. Balik dito ang bola.
Good
Foreman up
defense.
top. Isaac Danting with 11 seconds left. What will Isaac do?
Wise move there.
6 seconds remaining.
Step back. Ooh. That was close for Ice.
4-point lead para sa panig ng Apalit. 16-11. Ending our first quarter. 16-11 as we take a look back here on our first quarter highlights. Raymart Cosal. That bounce pass coming from Raymart Cosal. Ito. That beautiful move coming from Edmar Dizon. Yung lipad itong batang ito. And here, the 3-point shot from Raymart Cosal. That is the first field goal of this ball game. Take a look back here. This beautiful drive coming from Isaac Danting. No hesitation and whatsoever. Finds the top of the net. And Christian Silvestre coming from that missed free throw. Siya pa ang nakapag-deliver ng another 2 points para dito sa Apalit. That's why they're up now by 4 points at the end of the first quarter. 16-11.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Going back to our second quarter of this ball game. Sideline inbound for Harlego.
Tough pass yun. Difficult angle. Good defense again. Galing din sa Apalit. I love it.
Scramble, but recovery for Apalit. Edward Dizon on the drive!
Ulit pa sana. Gusto pang umulit dito ni Edmar Dizon, ha?
Scramble on the defense, but Apalit was able to recover.
Is Coach Zaldi gonna challenge it right now? That's what the referee's asking him. Are you gonna challenge? If he thinks he's wrong, he could challenge it. Says no.
To 11. Frix Bautista.
Oh, too strong in
It's
pasa.
too strong. Ang pagpasa niya dito kay Charles Dizon. Nine minutes and 20 seconds. 40 seconds pass by as we can see head coach MJ Magtoto. And here, Raymart Cosal, a former Adamson's baby
There's a
Falcon.
technical whistled here. Referee signal a tech.
Number 2, Raymart Cosal.
A technical
Number
foul
13.
against Raymart Cosal.
And they're gonna review it pa. Referee's going over to the IRS. They will
Makita
check it
natin
here.
Dito, ang bench ng Apalit, I love it. Ito, nire-review ng ating mga referees.
As they're still checking. Si Cosal ang napituhan ng technical, but they want to check why. Coach Zaldi Messina was pointing out na may tinamaan daw na player itong si Cosal on their end. And that's correct from one of the referees na nasa gitna ng court. Huwag muna papasukin yung mga players sa court. Go to their bench muna. Baka magkaabutan pa sila dito kasi walang play. Double technical, sabi ng ating referee. Double technical. Take a look. Right there on your screens. Kosal. Banggaan pa silang dalawa. Both Kosal and Josh Perez ang napituhan ng technicals doon.
Going back to our ball game with 9 minutes and 14 seconds left. Back to Isaac Danting. 3-point shot. But there was a traveling violation called to the Edmore Dizon. Ito. Going back to the other side. Dizon. Another Dizon for Fernandino ka.
Daming Dizon. Kaya offensive foul naman on Jaylee Padilla.
Grabe, kanina ding first quarter, dalawa yung nakapagpalitan na sila ng offensive foul.
And again, that's parity from the referees. Ganon ipipito nila on one side, on one team. Ganon din ipipito nila on the other team. As Danting, sinukat na yung ring kanina. Mintis lang ngayon.
8 minutes and 40 seconds remaining for our second period. Dizon. 3-point shot.
Oh! That's big for Jaylee.
I am sure. Yun ang pahiwatig ni Jaylee Padilla on the 3-point shot. Isaac Danting,
Grabe.
flying high. Rebound pa niya yun dito.
It's a jumping battle from both of these teams. Pataasan ng talon yung nangyayari.
Grabe kung tumalon si Ice, no? Parang apakagaan.
Lumaki pa katawan niya na. I first saw he covered him last year. Payat pa yan.
Exactly. I was a courtside reporter by that time. Back-to-back, 3-point shot coming to the side of Fernandino ka, KAYABE ka. Now, it's Care.
Lamang na sila.
They're now up by 1.
Babawi.
JD Harlego.
Babawi.
Sabi niya, ako naman, kami naman. 19-17, another 2-point lead for APALIT.
Sabi ko na these two teams are match. Match na match sila pareho eh. This is one of the fun games ever. Equally match parehong opponent, tas ganito yung crowd.
Frix Bautista.
Good move by Frix.
Nice pass. Padilla.
Ran into a brick wall ito si Jaylee Padilla against Silvestre. Disciplined defense galing sa kanya.
Take a look. That pass from Dizon to Harlego. Malayo-layo pa siya doon from the 3-point line. He was able to knock it off.
Again.
Sideline inbound for Isaac Danting.
Like I
Cruz
said,
checks in for APALIT.
yes, like I said, both of these coaches, yung rotations nila are second to none. And again, inubos na ni Coach Zaldi Messina yung kanyang mga point guards. Lahat ng point guards niya nagamit na niya in this ball game. In first half pa lang tayo.
A traveling violation called on Isaac Danting. A rare na pagkakamali for Isaac Danting is known for good ball handling. As there was a miss.
Ice is running.
JD Harlego flies.
Good save.
Nice pass to Danting. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Harlego back to Ice.
Wide open.
Malayo for Isaac Danting.
Grabe, out of nowhere, Josh Perez with a rebound.
Balik kay Danting ang bola.
He can touch that. Good defense right there by Fernandino KAYABE that time. Bawian lang ng runs dito from each team.
2-point lead for APALIT. I love it. 19-17 with 6 minutes remaining for our second period.
Clear foul. Clear foul on Josh Perez.
Five minutes and 54 seconds remaining.
Montalvo's back in for APALIT. I love it.
Montalvo checks in for Isaac Danting. Balik ang bola kay Charles Dizon. Dizon against Cruz. Dizon with a jumper.
Pushing foul, I believe ang mapipito kay Cosal.
Five minutes and 41 seconds remaining. You know one thing na about kailangang ingatan dito ni Raymart Cosal, yung ma-fouled out ulit siya. Because last game nila, he was fouled out and it was just fourth quarter, but there were still a lot of minutes.
Bang!
As Cruz.
Layo naman nung tira na yun dito galing kay Justin Cruz. Jaylee having trouble against Cruz. Fricks is wide open.
Too strong. But there was, andun si Cosal. Pinulang ng dasya doon.
They're having trouble with this defense. Nakapalit, talking about San Fernando. Again,
Another
short.
miss. Ito, rebound na dito ni Kent Montalvo.
Launch pad. Oh, he dished it off. And look at that. The entire bench telling him to take the layup.
Parang lumilipad din. Itong si Kent Montalvo. Take a look, this three-point shot coming from Justin Cruz. Sobrang layo, but no hesitation on that three-point shot.
From the letter M of Love Pampanga logo sa floor, doon na tinira yung jumper na yun.
And here, inbound for Kent Montalvo. Back to Lendl Garcia. Balik dito kay Cruz. Garcia once again for three. It's good for Lendl Garcia.
What a start para dito sa Apalit. I love it from three-point land. It started with Montalvo the first quarter. Ngayon, nagtuloy-tuloy na for everyone. Look at that booming triple galing dito. Kay Lendl Garcia knocks it down from downtown. 8-point lead para dito sa Apalit, 25-17.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Going back to the remaining 4 minutes and 41 seconds of our ball game, Raymart Cosal, 24 points and 7 rebounds on their battle on the quarterfinals round 1.
Grabe. Yung ginawa ni Raymart Cosal nun. Hirap si Jaylee, hirap si Padayaw, hirap lahat ng mga teammates niya except for him. Literal carry job ang ginawa dito ni Raymart Cosal.
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para dito sa kanyang second quarter report. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. Being the captain ball of our team, I need to be consistent every game. If hindi consistent, kailangan ko mag-improve para yun yung maging motivation ko to level up more. And of course, gusto ko mag-iwan ng mark sa league na ito because this will be my last playing year sa Intertown. According to Captain Ball Raymart Cosal, I will give my 101% every game. Big opportunity to kaya hindi ko sasayangin. But tiwala ako sa mga teammates ko and coaches kaya alam ko they will also give their best at mananalo kami as one. Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ. This could be the last playing game of
Yes.
Raymart Cosal. And this is his last playing game para dito sa Intertown. Inter-municipalities.
Grabe,
Intertown
diba?
na rin.
Huli na pala niya to, diba? That's why ganyan siya maglaro. Bigay todo siya. He's giving it all para dito sa Fernandino KAYABE in this ball game, but the others need to help him. The others need to wake up din. Just like
Lily
that.
Padilla.
Just like that.
Able for that putback. 25-19. Just a 6-point lead for Apalit. Ikang bola dito kay Lendl Garcia. Back to Kent Montalvo.
Thought about the three. Pero lumapit si Cosal sa kanya.
Montalvo. Knocking that 3-point shot. With a rebound. With Justin Cruz. Balik kay Lendl Garcia ang
Good
bola.
pass.
It's a sorry miss for Kent Montalvo. He was able to knock down.
Good find galing dito kay Lendl Garcia, and hindi ready si Montalvo dun, but he hit it perfectly dun sa chest ni Montalvo na kahit ma-fumble niya yung pasa, it will hit his chest eventually. Kent back to the free throw line. This tall, lanky player ng Apalit, I love it, who, like I said, I'm really wishing makikita ko siya in a team sa March 17 sa Sinagliga Asia. How talented this kid is.
No wonder na makita natin itong si Kent Montalvo wearing Pampanga Delta, Louis Duarte
Lanterns.
Pampangan, or Hustle Rising Sun
Oo.
na jersey. They're going to replay kung kanino nila may bibigay dito ang foul after that.
Initial call was an offensive foul on Jayron Ramirez, but the referees will check. Dahil nga ang init ng laban ng parehong kupunan dito eh. They will check if there's any other contact bang nangyari after the foul.
Mainit nga, mainit na din dito.
Oh, at sportsmanlike on Jayron Ramirez. Jayron could not believe it.
Sportsman-like foul.
Let's take a look at this right here. He takes the shot. Silvestre again with that brick wall defense. No foul. Legal guarding position. And then he tugs on Silvestre down to the ground.
That's why natawagan siya dito ng unsportsmanlike foul after that review of our referees. That one is missed para dito kay Christian Silvestre. Jayron Ramirez after that unsportsmanlike foul.
Upo muna itong si Silvestre. Papasok. Itong si John Maribel.
The mayor of Apalit, Pampanga, Mayor Jun Tetanco, together with Vice Mayor Peter Nucom on his left side. 3 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. Para dito sa ating second period, Rain Marcosal against Kent Montalvo.
Everyone from San Fernando is asking for a goaltend. No one's going down on defense para sa kanila.
Kent Montalvo, no good. Nakuha dito.
There's a foul call this time on Montalvo naman. The entire coaching staff with MJ Magtoto in the referee's face right now asking why there wasn't a goaltend. A very emotional game itong laro natin ngayon.
That first one is missed for Andrew Cunanan. Two minutes and 38 seconds remaining.
Jump ball possession now remains dito sa Fernandino. Kakayabe ka.
To 19. 8-point lead for Apalit. Raymart Casal against 4. Don Mirabel on the rebound.
That's what Apalit wants. Cosal to go one-on-one and run through the defense. Wild shot there para dito kay Montalvo.
Raymart Casal libreng-libre. There you have it. Easy basket for Raymart Casal. Baba sa 6 ang Kalamangan. 27-21. The biggest leader of the ball game is 9. Let's take a look back here. The pass from Raymart Casal. We already saw it. Timeout on the floor. 27-21.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to run. 19 under, coming very soon.
Went on fire after the half. 80-69. Fernandino Kakayabe ka won over Macabebe Warriors on our quarterfinals round 1.
Yes, anong first half, dikit na dikit yung laro. But in the second half, dun nagsimula si Raymart Cosal na nalasa talaga and they out-rebounded itong Makabebe Warriors and their bench. Cosal was actually coming off the bench that game. Surprisingly, di ba? Off the bench si Cosal. But then yun nga, fourth quarter, he fouled out. But grabe, Cosal did enough to win it for Fernandino KAYABE at that ball
The
game.
rebound for JP Maglalang.
Cosal na naman.
Cosal was there. Mabasa apat ang kalamangan ng APALIT. Isaac Danting back together with JP Maglalang, Yuri Masibak, Lendl Garcia.
Another near steal.
Another foul for Raymart Cosal.
Let's take a look. Third foul na niya yan. At the half pa lang, ha? First half pa lang to. Let's take a look at this. And again, another turnover for APALIT and an easy layup na naman for Raymart Cosal. Back-to-back yan para sa kanya.
His third personal foul for this ball game. We still have 1 minute and 29 seconds remaining for our first half. Will this be another Paula Quindanum? Earlier, Pau got 3 fouls na sa kanya, no? Nung first half natin. For the Angeles City Red Warriors kontra Minalin All-Stars.
And you could legitimately say na yun yung nagpapanalo sa Minalin All-Stars when Pau fouled out. And that's why Minalin won kasi yun yung talaga yung heart and soul ng depensa ng Angeles City and they lost Paula Quindanum early in the fourth quarter. So if Cosal fouls out of this ball game, medyo mahihirapan din tong Fernandino KAYABE ka.
Going back to the ball game. Dizon. Balik ang bola dito kay Dizon. He's against Yuri Masibak.
Good read by Ice. Oh, look at that, tiptoeing on the sideline.
There's a whistle against Ice Danting.
Kalmadong kalmado. When you have the experience under his belt, you are a star. I cannot wait till he dons the yellow and gold jersey, the gold and black jersey next season.
When he's lined up for UAAP.
Oh, next season kasi last year residency year niya, 'di ba? When he transferred from Ateneo to the University of Santo Tomas.
He's actually playing now for UST Golden Tigers, but in the other leagues.
Yes, in a different league, 'di ba? Ang rule lang naman dito sa Delta Cup, no UAAP and no NCAA, 'di ba?
So, si Dizon. Pinalik niya dito. Ang bola kay Jeron Ramirez, pero pinalik kay Dizon. Ramirez again. Khaled Macapagal.
Good move by Khaled. Iniiwas yung bola.
Siason. But there was Fix Bautista on the jumper. Oh, it almost goes out.
Hometown roll.
31 seconds left. 22 seconds on the shot clock. For APALIT, I love it. Yuri Masibak to Lendl Garcia once again. He's working with Isaac Danting together with Khaled Macapagal and John Mirabel. Isaac asking for a screen, pero pinasa niya dito kay Yuri Masibak. Pero rebound dito ng San Fernando. Dizon!
Sayang. 2 seconds. Hindi na sila makakatira dito. What an end to the action-packed first half dito. But it is APALIT. I love it. Ang lamang dito by 7 points.
25 to 32, our second quarter highlight. Let's take a look back here. Ito, the 3-point shot coming from the point guard, Lendl Garcia. And that blows a kiss for the crowd of APALIT. Let's take a look here. Raymart Cosal, libreng-libre. And he puts that basket for Fernandino KAYABE. And take a look back here. Khaled Macapagal with a drive. And with that long arms, Khaled Macapagal was able to knock out. That makes his ball game 32 to 25 at 7-point lead para dito sa panig ng APALIT. Kaya mga kabalan, tutok lamang po dahil magbabalik kami para dito sa laban ng Fernandino KAYABE kontra APALIT. I love it.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Pampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a free-port zone. Home to business parks, EPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday. But also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday. Some whip themselves until their backs swell or bleed, or carry wooden crosses. For the more courageous ones, they vow to have themselves nailed on the cross as a way to repent for their sins. These unique rituals, traditions, and devotion have attracted much media and tourist interest since featured in the 1960s.
So come home and explore all these and more here in Pampanga, in the heart of Central Zone.
split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock? 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot. You ready to rock? 19 under, coming very soon. You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock? 19 under. Coming very soon.
namin po ay nakatutok sa Delta Cup 2024 at ito ang laban ng Fernandino KAYABE kontra APALIT. I love it at the end of the first half. 32-25 is our score in favor of APALIT. I love it. A 7-point lead para dito sa panig ng APALIT. Well, sila na ba ang huling team na papasok dito sa ating semifinals? As we take a look back here dito sa ating halftime highlights, the 3-point shot coming from Raymar Cosal and giving a kiss to the crowd of Fernandino KAYABE, and that beautiful drive coming from Isa Aktanting in this pass from Raymar Cosal. Back to JP Padayaw, and ito 3-point shot coming from the point guard Lendel Garcia of APALIT. I love it. Still blowing a kiss to the crowd of APALIT. And that beautiful drive coming from Raymar Cosal, and here Khaled Makapagal escaping Dizon. That's why they are up by 7 points at the end of the first half. Of course, okay pa rin po. We're still live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. We're still jam-packed here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center.
May mga umalis para mag-merienda ng konti, di ba? Pero jam-pack pa rin eh. As yun nga, let's see how the adjustments dito para sa panig nila Coach MJ Magtoto ngayong araw for the second half dahil nga 7-point lead lang ito.
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para kasi meron siyang kasama dito ngayon on the sidelines. MJ, take it away.
At nakatutok pa rin kayo dito sa Delta Cup 2024, and this is the battle between San Fernando versus APALIT Pampanga. Bago natin balikan ng mainit na labanan ng dalawang koponan, kausapin muna natin ang isa sa mga supporter ng Team APALIT. Now, I am joined by the Vice Mayor of Team APALIT, Vice Mayor Peter Nucom. Now, Vice Mayor, you went through different challenges during the elimination round, but because of the perseverance and hard work of the players of Team APALIT, nalagpasan niyo yun. But now, meron na naman kayong haharapin na challenges, and Team San Fernando is one of the toughest team during this Delta Cup. Paano po ba pinaghahandaan ng Team APALIT ito, at paano po ninyo masisiguro na kayo ang papasok for the semis tomorrow?
And of course, unang-una, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat, lalong-lalo na yung mga taga-APALIT. And of course, we prepared in this game, no? Unang-una, it is a do or die game. Yung aming offense and defense, no? Pati na sa free throw. So kailangan ma-shoot namin yung aming free throw dahil wala nang gwardiya eh. Na talagang and of course, the support of our mayor is very terribly in the in line of the sports.
Now, Vice Mayor, meron po ba kayong gustong pasalamatan or batiin?
And of course, yung aming kababayan, no, talagang halos pumunta rito. Pati na yung mga barangay captains na galing ng Baguio, ng mga kagawad. Talaga, nandito po sa ating BREN GUIAO Stadium para sumuporta sa APALIT. I love it.
Once again, that is the Vice Mayor of APALIT Pampanga. Balik sa inyo, Enzo and Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ, para sa yung halftime interview together with Vice Mayor Peter Nucom of APALIT Pampanga. And going back here to our second half of our ball game, 32-25 again in favor of APALIT. I love it. But the big question is, Enzo, who will remain the toughest team? Is it Isaac Danting and the rest of the APALIT? I love it. Or Raymar Cosal and the rest of the Fernandino KAYABE basketball team?
Well, kahit may 7-point lead itong APALIT, I love it. There's still no clear winner. Kayang-kayang burahin ito ng Fernandino KAYABE. These two teams have gone through those miraculous comebacks in the elimination round to get to this point. Kaya nga, sinasabi ko this is anybody's ball game pa rin, as we have an issue with the shot clock dun sa other side kung saan titira ang APALIT in this half. There you go. Na-fix na. They say it's okay na.
Shot clocks. We're doing so good
Gumagana
right
na.
now. Sideline inbound for Yuri Masibak.
And this is going to be a crucial quarter for both teams kasi momentum is going to be on their side coming into the fourth quarter.
Jumper for Lendel Garcia.
Good start, good kick out. Galing dito kay Khaled Makapagal. He could have decided to attack the basket.
3-point shot. In and out. Rebound. By Apalit. I love it. Yuri Masibak against Andrew Cunanan.
They say down on the ground. No basket count for Yuri Masibak. Take a look at this beautiful jumper galing dito kay Garcia. Nowhere to go. Taking aim and taking fire right there.
Lendl. Back to Yuri Masibak. John Mirabel on the rebound.
Did not hit the rim.
There was no time left for Apalit.
Good defense again for San Fernando, but on the other end, on their offense, medyo one and done na nangyayari sa kanila. After one pass, tira na agad sila. Move the ball around, just like this. Continue to move the ball around and find the open man. Kick ball.
34-25. Still in favor of Apalit. I love it. Now a 9-point lead. The biggest lead of the ball game so far. Inbound for San Fernando. Balik ang bola dito kay Raymart Casal. But there was a miss. Masibak on that one. Lendl
Easy.
Garcia.
Easy 2 points there for Lendl Garcia. And now 11-point lead, if I'm not mistaken, the biggest of this ball game, di ba,
Yes.
Pen?
11-point lead is the biggest lead of the ball game. For Apalit, I love it. Casal to Cunanan. Almost a miss for Cunanan. Ooh, what a block coming from John Mirabel.
3 seconds on the clock.
Great D coming from Apalit.
Grabe. That's team defense at its finest galing dito sa Apalit. I love it. But unaware ang Fernandino KAYABE that the shot clock was winding down at that time.
That's how great defense coming from the side of Apalit. 7 minutes and 59 seconds remaining. (36-25), still an 11-point lead. The biggest lead of the ball game as Isaac Danting will be sent to the 15-footer line. It's a substitution on the floor. Let us remind everyone, of course, especially nakabalance watching at their home, that maingat dito itong si Raymart Casal kasi naka-third personal foul na siya on
Yes.
our first half.
And also one thing para dito sa Fernandino KAYABE hindi pa nag-iinit itong si Ice Danting. 1 of 7 nung first half. And hirap na hirap pa si Ice to get his rhythm. But once mag-init to si Ice, Ice act na lang. Bakit naman pag mag-init si Ice, di natunaw yun, di ba? Once na mag-init to itong si Danting, he can go supernova one more time. But good pass. Sayang lang hindi na-finish ni David.
Isaac Danting. What will he do? 15 seconds on the shot clock. He drives.
Dangerous fall there.
Natakot itong buong coaching staff ng Apalit.
And the entire bench is up for Apalit. Danting still down on the ground.
It's a bad fall for Ice
Masama. And
Danting.
you can see Governor Dennis Delta Pineda also standing up to check on Danting. That was a hard fall for Ice. And Coach Pedic Di Matulak coming to Danting's aid right now. A little slow to get up si Ice.
And our referees are checking
Sa IRS, oo. So,
ma-upgrade ba nila yung foul.
take a look at it one more time right here on the replay. He attacks.
Grabe yung support na itong mga taga-Apalit kay Ice. Tumayo.
Hey, that's their star. They'll see him this or next season, season 87, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Oh, well, actually, ako rin I'll be cheering for him kasi doon ako nag-aaral Oh, a sportsman-like foul on JL David. Much to the dismay of Fernandino KAYABE.
second personal foul. 13th foul.
There will be a bonus free throw for Ice Danting and a bonus possession para sa panig ng Apalit. As we can see here.
So David gets called.
Sportsman-like foul against J.L. David. To 25. That first throw is missed for Isaac Danting.
Look at the frustration on Ice's face. Normally a really decent free throw shooter, but today,
He rarely
hirap na hirap
missed a
siya.
free throw.
Oo. Ayan, no? You could see frustration settling in. Let's take a look at this one more time. Na-clip
Natuon niya
leg,
kasi
oo.
yung left hand niya.
hacking foul whistle here on Andrew Cunanan.
37 to 25. Still in favor of Apalit. 12-point lead. The biggest lead of the ball game is now 12. Lendl Garcia against Dizon.
Good pass.
Great eye coming from Garcia.
What a
Finding
pass.
Khaled Macapagal.
Easy 2 points doon para sa Apalit. Again, another driving dish para sa kanila.
Raymond Casal for 3. Here, Ice Danting.
Good pass din from Danting. Hindi lang na-finish ni Masibak.
There's a whistle on that rebound. Inbound for San Fernando. May nagpapa-shoutout dito. Na-shoutout na natin siya kanina eh. Of course, we're mentioning Raymond Casal comes from the Adamson Baby Falcons. He's a former player for Adamson. We would like to give a shoutout to the team captain of the Adamson Baby Falcons, Justin Garcia. He also, dapat na maglalaro siya for San Fernando. As Raymond Casal whistle.
Just barreled through Macapagal that time. Ito si Casal and he has to impose his will underneath. Hirap na hirap maka-open sa itong Fernandino KAYABE. Look at that. Just taking Macapagal underneath the basket and wala na magawa si Khaled dun but to foul him.
Hirap na hirap itong si Raymond Casal. to 25. The biggest lead of the ball game is now 14. 0 out of 2 for Raymond Casal. Don Mirabel on the rebound. Balik ang bola kay Lendl Garcia.
Great catch by Khaled.
Unstoppable Khaled Macapagal for tonight.
Natumba pa siya dun ha. Still able to regain the basketball. Focus and hit the shot. Look at that perfect pass and then Macapagal got his legs caught under him. Still able to focus and catch it cleanly and put it up and in. Kaya nga lamang dito ulit. Ito ang Apalit, I love it, 41 to 25.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
Khaled Macapagal with 11 points, a double-double performance, 13 rebounds, 2 assists, 4 steals, and 2 blocks on their game. The quarterfinals won.
Kompleto para dito kay Khaled Macapagal. The points, not so much dun siya talagang kumamada, but the rebounds and the defense ang kinailangan sa kanyang Apalit. I love it. 11 points na yun, dinaan niya talaga sa sipag. Yung layups niya, nagmimintis din kahit papano dun sa laro na yun eh. Look at that! Kalawit rebound by Ice!
Nice play! Coming from Yuri Masibak and Khaled Macapagal.
A highlight reel para dito sa Apalit. I love it. From the rebound to the layup.
18-point lead, the biggest lead of the ball game. 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining para dun sa ating third period. Raymond Casal for 3.
Nagwawala na mga fans sa Apalit dito.
And look at them! Sinasabayan nila yung rhythm ng drummers.
Grabe. Take a look at that rebound by Danting. One-handed rebound.
Seeing Yuri Masibak underneath. Alam ni Yuri na hindi niya nakakayanin pa yun eh. So he's makapagalan there.
Alam ko Danting makapagal yun.
Almost actually.
Oo. Nabitin lang ata yung talon eh.
That first throw is no good for Yuri Masibak. Rebound pa itong si John Mirabel. 43-25, 18-point lead, the biggest lead of the ball game. Raymart Casal against Garcia. Almost a miss. John Mirabel on the rebound. Balik kay Danting ang bola. Binigay niya dito kay Lendl Garcia.
Hey, look at si Fernandino Kayabe just trying to find an answer dito sa run nitong Apalit. I love it. Casal, much to the dismay dito ng Apalit fans, but Casal just fighting hard for that rebound.
He really needs to step up para sa kanyang koponan. Fernandino ka, Kayabe ka. Sabi nga niya kanina, based sa report ni MJ, ito na yung last year playing niya for the Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament.
Next year kasi hindi na siya eligible for this tournament, di ba?
That's why he's really fighting and doing his best para makalagay sila ng spot nila to the semifinals. One spot left for our semifinals. Nag-aantay na ng kalaban ang Level Up Lubao. Because our tournament format will be tomorrow, ranked number 1 kontra. I mean, winner number 1 versus number 4. One's number 4, if I am not mistaken. As inbound for San Fernando. Casal with 11 seconds on the shot clock. Dizon. Balik ang bola dito kay Ramirez. Too strong.
Once again, another foul whistled. JP Padayaw naman, who has not had the best of evenings. Ito si JP Padayaw. When they needed him host, medyo off night para dito kay JP.
Still 43-25, the biggest lead of the ball game. Still 18. As that first throw is missed. Let me correct it. Magkakaroon daw ng bunutan para sa magiging kalaban nila on the semifinals as per our tournament commissioner, Leo Isaac.
Alley-oop. There you go for JP.
Yun ang inaantay ni JP Padayaw. 43-27.
And that gets JP Padayaw rolling.
Yuri Masibak.
Grabe!
It could be a reel for Yuri Masibak.
Ibang klase naman yung finish na yun ni Yuri Masibak.
Balik sa 18 ang Kalamangan.
What a counter there. There you go. Unti-unti na nagigising ito si JP Padayaw.
3 minutes and 32 seconds remaining in our game clock. Yuri Masibak. Balik kay Kent Montalvo against 2. Bigay dito kay Masibak ang bola. Isaac Danting, libreng-libre. 3-point shot!
Bang!
And look at how the Apalit I Love It crowd stand up after that shot coming from Danting.
And look at that, Danting rebound.
That's way too long for Isaac Danting. But no problem. Yuri Masibak back to Lendl Garcia. Balik ang bola kay Kent Montalvo. Danting on the right corner. Lando Garcia for 3. It's too long. 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining.
Grabe itong run na ginagawa ng Apalit. I love it. They really shut down itong Fernandino at KAYABE in this quarter.
Now a 19-point lead for Apalit, the biggest lead of the ball game. As Dizon, balik ang bola kay Cosal. Frix Bautista, balik kay Dizon ang bola. Dizon on the drive. Jumper is good for Dizon. Baba sa 17 ang kalamangan ng Apalit.
Good move right there by Charles Dizon.
Yuri Masiba.
Oh, steal by Cosal.
Great steal coming from the captain, Raymart Cosal. Baba sa 15 ang kalamangan ng Apalit. 48-33 with 2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. For our third period, Danting for 3 again. Misses, but a rebound coming from Montalvo. Montalvo back to Dizon. Dizon against Dizon din. Yuri Masibak. But there was no time left for Apalit.
Good
Para
defense.
makashoot sila ng basket.
Good defense that time by San Fernando. Holding their own in the painted area. But this time, down by 15, you need to make something happen. Cut the lead down to as low as single digits as you enter the fourth para alam mong manageable na manageable pa to.
1 minute and 43 seconds remaining. This is way too long quarter for us, Enzo. Dizon, balik ang bola sa kanya. Back to Raymart Cosal for 3. Rebound by Dizon. Balik ang bola kay Kent Montalvo. Kent Montalvo on a drive!
Muntik na.
But it's a miss for Kent.
Padayo travels.
The traveling violation called against JP Padayaw. Coach MJ Magtoto o Fernandino ka, KAYABE ka. Edmar Dizon. Nasa niya dito ang bola kay Montalvo.
Good pass.
Wait, what a big rebound. For Jaylee Padilla, Raymart Cosal.
Grabe. Bulldozing his way through everybody. Raymart Cosal with no regard for human life na ngayon. Wala siya pa kung matamaan kakampi niya eh. Basta aatakihin niya and he'll try as much as he can to cut the lead down even if it means mag-isa lang siya gagawa nun.
48-33 as Raymart Cosal was sent to the free throw line with 53.2 seconds remaining. First throw is missed for Raymart Cosal. Oh, out of 2 for Cosal. He rarely missed the free throw line. Edmar Dizon. Against another Dizon.
Traveling.
Against Justin Cruz, a traveling violation against Justin Cruz on that one. 48-33 with 37.7 seconds remaining for our third period. Charles Dizon, to Raymart Cosal, balik kay Dizon ang bola. To Jaylee Padilla. Balik kay Cosal.
Foul away from the ball. It's gonna be on Josh Perez. And this is the guy na nawala ngayon for San Fernando, Jaylee Padilla. His numbers aren't what we are used to.
It's usually now a double digit for Jaylee Padilla.
And see, look at that. The free throw is even missing for Jaylee.
22 seconds remaining for our third period. 48-33. A 15-point lead for Apalit. As 1 out of 2 for Jaylee Padilla. Of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, the man behind this Delta Cup 2024.
Oh, what a move. Grabe. Dizon on Dizon crime.
3 seconds remaining. Montalvo saw it.
Munti ka na for
Almost a
Ken.
shot for Kent Montalvo. The end of the third period, 48 to 36. Just a 12-point lead entering the fourth quarter of our ball game para dito sa panig ng Apalit. As we take a look back here onto our quarter highlights, the jumper coming from Lendl Garcia, opening our second half of the ball game, and that pass coming from Khaled Makapagal. Yuri Masibak to Lendl Garcia, easy throw for Lendl Garcia. And here, Isaac Danting, that three-point shot, too long, but no problem. Sabi ni Isaac Danting, and makes his ball game a 12-point lead para sa panig ng Apalit, entering our fourth and final quarter of this ball game, 48 to 36.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
We're still live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga para dito sa ating main event ng ating Delta Cup 2024 para dito. The man behind this, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, together with Coach Pedic Di Matulak. And of course, Mayor Jun Tetanco of APALIT Pampanga, together with Mayor Peter Nucom, the Vice Mayor for APALIT Pampanga, present here inside the BREN GUIAO.
Lamang sila, no? Pero seryoso pa rin itsura ni Mayor Jun Tetanco. Kasi seryoso, invested siya sa laro eh. It's still out of sync for Jaylee. Look at that rebound right there by Montalvo. Above the rim right there.
A miss. But Dizon here, Charles Dizon against Justin Cruz.
Buti nakapreno siya. Pagtigil ng takbo niya, nandun siya sa ilalim ng ring eh. Ganun siya kabilis, di ba? Ito si Charles Dizon.
It's now just a 10-point lead.
Good defense right now. Galing dito sa Fernandino, KAYABE ka.
And here, there will be a substitution on the floor. Lendl Garcia will check in for Justin Cruz.
Also Ice Danting. Papalitan si Silvestre. So eto na, Danting and Montalvo. The two high-flying wings, pinagsabay na ngayon. For APALIT, I love it.
Dizon, balik kay Padilla ang bola. JL David. Balik kay Padilla for 3. Short. Kent Montalvo against 3.
Look at the handle. And the finish ba? Kulang lang.
He was able to manage.
Good job there by Lendl Garcia, establishing himself first para hindi ma-backcourt.
Jumper for Garcia. A rebound for Montalvo. Balik kay Danting ang bola. Danting will drive. Pinakita lang ni Isaac Danting on how veteran he is and why he deserves to sit for the UST Golden Tigers.
Grabe, the Skywalker itong si Danting. And ito may agaw pa.
Lendl Garcia.
Oh, a hard fall there. Para dito kay Charles Dizon. Dizon still on the ground. Let's take a look. He had a hard fall here. Tough
Lendl
fall.
Garcia going for a drive.
Nagkasabitan sila. And then yun. And he's still down on the ground. Ito si Charles Dizon.
50 to 38. 12-point lead para dito sa panig ng APALIT.
They gotta substitute him out.
And look at the crowd inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center.
Look at that. Look at the crowd there.
They're literally enjoying this ball game.
Well, whatever happens, di ba? As long as uuwi silang masaya, uuwi sila with a memorable night, di ba? That's the important part for the fans.
Lendl.
0 for
0
2.
out of 2. Point lead as 8 minutes and 15 seconds remaining para dito sa ating fourth and final quarter of this ball game. Balik kay Cosal ang bola. Cosal for 3.
Wow, by Danting.
A good challenge coming from Ice Danting. Oh, almost a beautiful underneath from Jaylee Padilla. But here, Ice Danting. Dito kay Dizon. Edmar Dizon. Back to Kent Montalvo. And there you have it. Kent Montalvo finishes that play. Balik dito sa 14 ang kalamangan ng Apalit.
Grabe, what a game for Apalit. I love it right now. And Cosal slips. Traveling, there you go. Nadulas na lang si Cosal. And Raymart, you can see the emotion
It
now.
was purely guarded over there. It's a substitution on the floor.
You can see Raymart Cosal wearing his emotion on his sleeves na ngayon. Nararamdaman na niya na this will possibly be his final 7 minutes dito sa Inter-Municipality Tournament.
Still a 14-point lead. 7 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Dizon, back to Lendl Garcia.
Libre si Danting, di na nakita. Ooh, nearly got it to go pa.
There will be no count.
Yes, and di daw umabot yung floater doon ni Garcia to beat the shot clock. So that's why no count yung putback ni Maglalang.
Six minutes and 41 seconds remaining.
Clear push right there, galing dito kay Edmar.
To 52, still 14-point lead para sa Apalit. Dizon is able to knock a 2-point shot from there. Isaac Danting.
Good move. Sayang.
There's no whistle. Cosal on the drive.
Muntik pa.
To 41. 6 minutes and 8 seconds left for our fourth and final period. There was a foul, but there will be a sideline inbound.
Papalitan lang yung bola. Kala ko may replay.
Raymart Cosal on the free throw line again. Baba sa 10 ang kalamangan ng Apalit.
Pwede pa to eh. It's
With
still
6
doable.
If they will continue that hustle coming from them right now. 1 out of 2 for Raymart Cosal. Rebound by Kent Montalvo.
Just need stops. If you're San Fernando, you just need stops. Doable pa to, but yun nga lang, they left Garcia open. Good block by Padayaw.
There's 13 on the shot clock. Balik kay Danting ang bola. Do not leave eyes widely open.
Uy, muntik na yun. Wow!
Babala dito sa 8 ang kalamangan ng Apalit. JP Padayaw. Take a look back here. Padayaw. What a move coming from JP Padayaw's timeout on the floor. 44 to 52.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
Kent Montalvo, 10 points, 12 rebounds, a double-double performance in the quarterfinals round 1.
Yes, grabe nga yung ginawa nila. I mean, that front court duo of Kent Montalvo and Khalid Macapagal really powered them to this moment. Na nandito sila ngayon sa quarterfinals knockout round. But they need to finish this game on a high note, on a W.
Baba sa 8 ang kalamangan from the 19-point biggest lead of the ball game.
Good pass. But look at Cosal. What an effort dito for San Fernando. Are we gonna see another fourth quarter comeback from this team?
5 minutes and 13 seconds left. 44 to 52, still in favor of Apalit. Andrew Cunanan, back to Raymart Cosal. Balik dito ang bola kay Cunanan.
Layo.
Ang layo.
Outside na yung bola.
Sideline inbound for Yuri Masibak.
4 minutes and 50 seconds natitira sa clock. This is still doable for San Fernando. 8-point lead. Kayang-kaya pa to. Just need to get multiple defensive stops.
Garcia, danting for 3. First rebound coming from Khalid Macapagal.
There's the stop.
4 minutes and 27 seconds. Walo pa rin ang hinahabol ng San Fernando.
Good
Cosal.
pass. Ayaw pa rin for Fricks. Look at that defense by Cosal.
There was a whistle.
Who's the foul on? Look at the fans dito. Behind the bench ng San Fernando. It's Lendel Garcia holding onto his face.
He's down right now. (52 to 44). Still an 8-point lead para sa Apalit.
Take a look at this.
That jump ball. Lendel Garcia.
I think siya yung foul pa doon. So double black eye pa for Lendel Garcia. He got inadvertently hit. Tapos siya pa yung napituhan ng foul.
Because this will be an inbound for San Fernando.
Oh, good play! Di lang na-finish. Sayang.
Back to Danting. Danting against. Binalik niya dito kay Lendel Garcia ang bola. Almost a miss. Danting with 9 seconds on the shot clock. Possession
Stepping out of
stays.
bounds daw.
The possession will stay for the side of Apalit.
San Fernando's gonna challenge it. Coach MJ Magtoto will burn his coach's challenge right now.
Because we're still have 3 minutes and 39 seconds left para dito sa ating fourth and final period.
Mahaba pa to.
8 lang ang hinahabol ng San Fernando.
Now referee's going to the IRS to check kanino ba possession. The original call is APALIT basketball. But again, it will depend kung successful challenge ba to for Coach MJ Magtota and ma-overturn siya. Or will it be an unsuccessful challenge and the ball stays dito sa panig na APALIT? I love it.
And here, one of our referees taking a look.
Bola pa rin daw na APALIT. So unsuccessful challenge for Coach MJ Magtoto. Take a look at right here.
This drive coming from Danting. He misses it at his hands.
There you go, challenge unsuccessful for Coach MJ Magtoto. Baseline inbound for APALIT, who has 3.6 seconds only on their shot clock.
Nice pass!
Grabe! What a play!
Danting.
What a play right there for APALIT. I love it. Great seal by Khalid Makapagal.
Raymart Casal.
Well defended by Montalvo.
He once again, Khalid Makapagal. 54 to 44, 56 to 44. Balik sa 12 ang kalamangan ng APALIT after that end one coming from Khalid Makapagal.
On a roll. Look at that. Garcia saw Makapagal na una na. In the mismatch, Cunanan against a taller at much more athletic Khalid Makapagal. And he finishes that layup plus a foul. Look at that. The crowd dito ng APALIT already dancing and shouting. Medyo nararamdaman na nila na maglalaro pa sila tomorrow sa semifinal round. Again, to be determined pa
Kung sino
makakalaban
makakatapat
nila. And with that missed free throw, you give itong San Fernando some light pa rin.
3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. 17 on the shot clock. Brix Bautista for 3.
There you go. Lifeline para dito San Fernando.
Pwede pa to. Pwede pa to. 2 minutes and 49 seconds remaining. 47, 56 here.
Good
So
pin down.
coming from Brix Bautista.
Good pin down galing dun kay Cosal para open dun si Fricks. They need
Sideline.
more of that.
As a sideline inbound for APALIT. Yuri Masibak against Raymart Cosal. Pinalik niya ang bola kay Lendel Garcia. Back to Isaac Danting. Danting for 3. Too strong.
There's still a chance for San Fernando. You have to go.
11-point lead. 9 rather.
Yun nga lang, turnover din.
Coming from JP Padayaw.
Chances and chances are being lost here for San Fernando.
Siyam na lang ang inahabol dito ng San Fernando. Balik kay Lendel Garcia ang bola. Jumper. Too strong.
Yun lang, nagkaagawan dun si Bautista at si Padayaw. And they give APALIT another possession dito. Slowly slipping away from San Fernando's hands na ngayon. Good
Yuri
move!
Masibak. What a move coming from Masibak.
What a move there. Galing dito kay Yuri Masibak. And what an inbound play na naman for APALIT.
As we approach the last 2 minutes of our ball game. APALIT is already feeling it.
It's Medlem here in BREN GUIAO. Yun nga lang, nadulas kay Danting yung bola.
1 minute and 35 seconds left for our fourth and final quarter.
Fricks is wide open again. Lifeline one more time. Pwede pa to for San Fernando.
Walo na lang ang hinahabol nila dito. Still have 1 minute and 28 seconds left.
Pwede pa to if you're San Fernando. Don't put your head down just yet. And if you're APALIT, don't start celebrating.
Fricks Bautista. What a 3-point shot coming from Bautista.
Big shot, Bautista, one more time, and that's why the lead is down to 8, 58 to 50.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
Coach Aisel Santos.
Yung artista nandito.
Himala, hindi siya dito dumaan, ha?
Tatago, ah.
Lando Garcia to Kent Montalvo. Balik ang bola dito kay Montalvo.
Garcia for the dagger. Too strong, there's still hope. Fricks.
1 minute and 3 seconds.
Fricks tried to draw the foul. Umilag lang yung depensa sa kanya.
Balik ang bola dito kay Raymart Cosal.
Finally, the ball is cleared for APALIT. And wisely, they will waste away some precious seconds right now.
Isaac Danting back dito kay Khaled Macapagal. They're clearly using the time they have. Isaac Danting, sinukat ng linya. Raymart Cosal.
You have to go quick if you're San Fernando.
Fricks Bautista. There's another 3-point shot, too strong.
And that might have done it. That'll do it.
And there you have
Kompleto
it.
na ang ating Final Four.
APALIT, I love it. Won against the home team. Fernandino ka, Kayabe ka, and let's take a look how happy this APALIT, I love it crowd right now.
Grabe.
58 to 50, a timely comeback for Isaac Danting here in the quarterfinals round 2. Lubao, level up Lubao. Minalin All-Stars. APALIT, I love it.
Grabe, what a ball game. And look at that.
Those were the teams that will compete for our semi-finals. 58 to 50, our final score para dito sa labanang APALIT kontra San Fernando, Pampanga.
Grabe, what a ball game right here for APALIT. They now qualify for the Final Four natin dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. And look at Mayor Jun Tetangco on your screens, celebrating with the team, celebrating with the supporters. What a ball game para dito nga sa panig ng APALIT. I love it. They survived this ball game. They dominated this second half. Grabe ang ginawa dito ng APALIT. I love it. They knock off itong Fernandino ka, Kayabe ka in this tournament to enter the Final Four of the Delta Cup. At ngayon, as we see, ang ating best player of the game, walang iba kundi si Lendel Garcia, 11 points, 5 rebounds, and 6 assists. Lendel, congratulations. Grabe. Ito natatanong ko, hindi ko natatanong yung preparation nyo. Ano ba yung mentality mo coming into this ball game, lalo na't alam mo, kalaban nyo ang home crowd ng San Fernando?
Unang-una po, talaga pong pressure sa crowd, lalo na po sa crowd, lamang po sila. And pinagandaan lang po talaga namin, lalo na po ako. Di po ako masyado nag-focus sa offense, para defense na lang po. Alam ko pong malas. Bumawi po ako sa defense. And yun naman po, naging maganda po yung result.
Malas pa, ganda nga na numbers mo ha. Pero Lendel, ngayon pasok kayo sa Final Four, sa semifinals round dito ng Delta Cup. Lalo na single round robin ang format natin. Paano nyo ba paghahandaan yung tatlong koponan na mga kalaban nyo sa semifinals round?
Bukas na po yan agad, di ba?
Yes, bukas na.
Siyempre po, unang-una, kailangan po physically fit po kami and yung iwasan po yung puyat. Mamaya po kasi po, tuloy-tuloy po yung games eh.
Yes.
Yun po, pagbubutihan po namin and para po sa APALIT, lalo na po kay Mayor, pati po kay Vice and kila Seg po.
Well, ngayon, Lendel, bibigyan na kita ng chance to give thanks or give your greetings and shoutout sa mga sumusuporta sa iyo at sa team ninyong APALIT. I love it.
Una-una po, shoutout po sa mga fans ng APALIT and mga pumunta po dito para sumuporta. Pati po yung mga parents ko po, nanonood po.
Congratulations once again, Lendel. 11 points, 5 rebounds, and 6 assists ang ating best player of the game. Kompleto na po ang ating Final Four dito sa Delta Cup. Lendel, sabi mo nga, iwas mo yan. Go ahead and enjoy this victory with your team. Dahil nga, mga kabalin, tapos na po ang ating quarterfinals round 2. And in terms of sa schedule po ng ating semifinals round at kung sino-sino po ba maglalaban-laban bukas, tutok lang po sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page and Sinag Liga Asia Facebook page. But this ends the quarterfinals round 2 for Penelope Wilhelmina, MJ Raimundo. This is Enzo Galarosa, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Danan, Direk Billy Ray De Leon, Direk Ramonito, Munito Roa, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. This has been your 2024 Delta Cup, and we are saying goodbye and good night.